Hello everyone, welcome to Passionately Intrigued Arts and More. Beginner Gardening Chronicles, if that's what you want to call it. I have this container that had croissants in it. So it's a good greenhouse effect. It will have a good greenhouse effect. I put holes in the bottom, lined it with some thin paper towels, and I've got this soil mixture that I have: perlite, cocoa coir, potting soil. What else? I think that's it. And I started some ginger in this bag. So this has sprouted, and I'm not sure if I should put this in here because this one's kind of tall, but not really. I want to put in some soil. But you know what? I think I'm going to put these in a different container. So actually what I want to do is I have this turmeric that I purchased from one of the ethnic stores. Which one did I get this one from? I believe the Indian store. And so you can directly put it into this soil. And they said to make sure that you have these buds on here. And you can cut them, but these are small because they said, hey, at least cut them to have 2 or 3 of the buds on, on each piece. And these only have, now that one has quite a few. That has 5. I might cut that one. But for the most part, well, maybe I'll cut some in half. Like this one just looks like it has one big one. Or do they cut them off here? Is that the case? They're cutting these off? That's what it looks like. But I have a couple. So, how do you do this? I think the buds go up, if I'm not mistaken. So I got about an inch or so of soil in here. And let me see what it says. Yep, the nub or growth facing upward. These are rhizomes. It says cut rhizome sections with a few buds on each, then plant them horizontally in well-draining soil with the nub or growth pointing upwards. Cover them with about an inch of soil and ensure that the soil is moist but not soggy. Okay, this one looks like it has 2. I'm just gonna stick it down in there like that. This one has a couple. I'm gonna stagger them, I guess. That has a couple. I don't know what's going on here. We might not get nothing out of that because it looks like they cut them off. This one has about 5. I might cut that one. This only has a couple. Look at that. There's no nubs on there. There's one right here. But these are missing. So, I'm going to stick this one here. And I think we got some right here. What are we going to do with these? I'm going to put it in the ground, in the ground. I'm going to put it in the soil anyway. It's probably going to just rot. I don't know about this one. But this one has quite a few on it. And I'm not even going to cut it. I'm going to just stick it right in here like so. And then just cover with the soil and water it down. Water them down. I wonder if I should put some water on them now. And then cover them and put more water. And I just got them sitting on this top that I cut in half. Let me flip this top over, I think. Yeah. All right, let's go for it. And then add more soil. Set cover them about an inch. So that's going to bring it to the top of this lid. Oh, I've got some sand in here also, in this soil mixture. See, I filled this one, so I'm going to need some more soil on top of that. First time trying, what do you call this stuff? Turmeric. I might as well empty this whole bag in here. Yep. I wonder if I should just stick this in here somewhere. Don't know. Probably not going to do nothing. We'll see. If I put it in this corner, I'll know that to check on it to see if it's going to rot. All right. Water her down. Water her down. Okay, cover it with this lid, put it in a nice, dry, warm area, and we'll see what it does. And they say it takes a little while, so I'll keep checking it, and I'll keep you informed. Trying to see anything else. Keep it in a warm environment. I guess that's about it. Thank you so much. Peace and love. We'll see you soon. I gotta get some more soil and a different pot and place these in. And I want something long because you know they're rhizomes, so they grow this way, horizontally. Because they're gonna be in my home until spring, right? So I gotta figure that one out. Toodles!